Welcome, Panda-Frog. Today I got this Burg Wächter Quadra. I will try to do an out-of-the-box pick. That's a key. As you can see, it is, let me really quickly check. 1, 2, 3, 4, there's only 4 pins. Alright, so it's 4 pins. Quadra 44450 SB, and it's still sealed, as you can see. So let's break the box and try to pick it. Alright, I hate it when they do this. See what I mean? So let's try the key. And it's also like in here. Really? Alright, so the Quadra, it is premium and got a 2, 4, 5 of 6 stars security. It is a nice look. It does look nice. So okay, so it's like a disc or something. I don't know. We will see. Keyway is fairly open. So let's get this thing in the vise. It is full brass. It looks full brass. So let me get this so you can see what I'm doing and I can see what I'm doing. I don't know which pick I'm going to use. Just feel the pins first. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a 5. Did I count wrong? 1, 2, 3. No, it should be 4. It's probably just wrong with the counting here. So let me get. I mean, I got enough space to work in here. I should. So let's try it like this. Alright, so let's go for 1. Nothing. Too springy. I feel I could use a stronger pick. This is 18,000. Let's go for the bigger pick. Right now I don't feel anything this springy. I believe I kind of blocked the first pin with my tension tool. So let's see. Let's try it this way. Okay, gotta click on 1. Nothing. 2, 3, 4. It's a little strange. Let me try to rake it first. Should be rakeable, shouldn't it? Okay. Let me recheck the key really quickly. So I did turn it that way, right? Yeah, I did. Okay. Let me try a different rake. Not every rake works on every lock. Okay. Alright, so okay. Not that... Let's go to the back and start from there. I believe the 4th pin is set. Gotta click out of 3. I don't know, 2, I don't know. There we are. Okay. Let's do it again really quickly. So I believe the rigging didn't work because the first pin cannot be set at all, or doesn't need to be set. Because it's really... Okay, nice click there. And I overset already the first pin. 4 good. So, not too hard. As you can see, just leave the first pin alone and the rest is easy. It is a nice look. It is a nice look, but nothing special. Nothing special to pick, let's put it that way. So we got the Quadra, Burg Wächter Quadra, with 4 pins, brand new out of the box. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.